Number 12 says, use the function tables to answer the following. So again, with functions, we're looking at them in many different forms. Equations, ordered pairs, graphs, and here tables. So it says find f of 3. So when we were doing it with equations, we plugged in 3 to the equation and we got something else out. With a table, you plug in 3 and the output would be the f of x, or the 6. So you're basically just reading the table here. And that will be 6. For f of 8, you would read that part of the table, and it's -7. For the solve f of x is equal to 5, just like with the equations, how it was the reverse, it is kind of the reverse here. So they're giving you the f of x, they're giving you the y. So what would you need to plug in to get that, or what x value would you need to plug in? And that would be -2. And similarly with f of x is equal to 6, that actually happens in two places. If you plug in 3, you get 6. If you plug in 5, you get 6. So both 3 and 5 work for that. So similar to how we did functions as equations, it's kind of the same thing, but this is in table form.